Well, there was a line of thunderstorms that pushed its way to the south earlier today. It came through our southern counties, but it really didn't start to amp up until it made its way over Lake Michigan. But now that is beginning to head southward. And it looks like as we head into the evening, we'll see more of those clear skies on the way for us. But still, it is hot out there. We'll expect overnight temperatures only to drop off into the low to mid 60s, and the humidity that will still be up there a bit for us as we head not only into tonight, but even as we head over the next couple of days for the weekend, and maybe even some patchy fog as we work our way throughout the night. But here's a look at our current conditions. Marquette, very sunny. Temperatures in the lower 80s. Winds out of the northeast at 14 miles per hour. Real field temperature right now at 83 degrees. But look at the dew point starting to make its way up there at 66. Anytime it starts to get closer to 60 or above that, that's when you'll start to feel it. And once it gets closer to 70, that's when things are oppressive for us. Lower 80s though for us here in Marquette, and seeing warmer conditions as you head off to the west. As we look at temperatures right now, 90 degrees in Crystal Falls, 84 into Ironwood, at 81 in Ontonagon, seeing more than 90s a little farther to the south in Menominee. So summer-like there, but eastward not quite as warm. 76 in Munising, 75 right now in Escanaba, and Ishpeming right now at 81 degrees. Current winds are coming in from the northwest at 13 in Houghton, while at 13 also in Iron Mountain. Southeast at 7 miles per hour in Munising, and at 9 in Marquette. We are expecting winds to calm as we head throughout the night. That will help in the development of the fog and also all that moisture that we have in the atmosphere right now. And current temperatures, well, seeing a lot of 80s all across the state and even some 90s. 89 right now into Traverse City, 81 in Rogers City, and seeing more of those 80s and 90s across the UP. Here's a look at your headlines. Tonight we will be mostly clear, and then as we head into Saturday afternoon, oppressive heat is in store for us. We'll see highs making their way once again into the upper 80s and the lower 90s, and humidity that will be high for us as well. More the same as we head into Sunday, but for things, well, they will cool off, and cool off quickly they will, as we'll notice highs dropping a good 15 to 20 degrees as we go from Sunday on into Monday, and we'll take a look at that coming up here in your 7-day forecast. Here's a look at our setup right now. You'll notice that all the heat is starting to push its way off towards the east, and it's starting to make its way across the Great Lakes. And as we head into tomorrow, there's that cold front that provided the showers and thunderstorms that we saw earlier this afternoon, now starting to drape its way off towards the north and east and drape itself farther to the south. So we won't have to deal with any rain. It will be mostly sunny with high pressure in control, but still it is going to be downright hot. Here's a look at your futurecast model throughout the night, noticing some fog beginning to develop for us, but as we head into the afternoon, on Saturday, mostly clear skies will develop once again for us. Very sunny throughout our Saturday, seeing a few more clouds as we head into Sunday. And then a line of clouds comes through with a cold front that looks to cool us off as we get into Sunday evening, but not really seeing a great chance of rain with that, so we're not going to have that in the forecast. And all of this will push off to the south as we get into Sunday night before things eventually cool off for us as we get into Monday. Here's a look at your tonight forecast. 60 degrees, clear and mild. Winds should be calm for us. And then as we head into Saturday, pick up out of the south at 5 to 15 miles per hour. The 3H's hot, hazy, and humid. A high of 88 in Lawrence, at 89 degrees in Ontonagon. More of those upper 80s, close to 90 in Crystal Falls and in Florence. It will be at 82 as you go into Escanaba, 88 in Munising, and 87 in Marquette. Your 7-day forecast, a couple of upper 80s as we go into Saturday and Sunday. A few more clouds for us as we head into Sunday. But as we go into Monday, look at that drop in temperatures. We'll go from the upper 80s down to the upper 60s for highs, not only on Monday, but seeing that even as we head into Tuesday as well at 67 degrees. Lows a lot more comfortable for us as well into the low to mid 50s, but 70s will return very quickly for us as we get into Wednesday at 71 degrees, and then later on into next week, Thursday and Friday, they look to be quiet for us, and we'll be either just at or just below our normals as we go into Thursday, and seeing the same as we go into Friday.